This is the coolest solid bubble bath ever. I mean, look at the texture on this thing. It is so much fun to work with. It's very user-friendly and super versatile. You can make all kinds of bubble bath treats with this one recipe alone. And guess what? It does what it's supposed to do. It dries rock solid within a matter of hours, even if you live in a humid climate like I do. It also produces some seriously glam Hollywood-style bubbles. I mean, check that out. I hosted this class at a virtual conference over the summer. It was so much fun to get together with friends from all over the world and connect and create. We had an awesome time. I loved seeing all of the products that they created using this one single recipe. Since then, I have also had a lot of requests to host additional courses. Now, I highly doubt we'll be getting together in person anytime soon, so I've created some online courses including this humid-proof solid bubble bath. If this is something that you're interested in, please definitely check out the links in the description. I would love to see you there. In the meantime, just sit back, relax, and enjoy the preview.